Okay, a dog and a white couch. What was I thinking? Until I found these Miracle sofa covers. They're from Nolan Interior, and they seriously changed how I feel about my living room. Look at this before, and now the after. Total transformation, and it actually stays in place. It's stretchy, zip-free, super soft, and it fits like it was made for this couch. No slipping and no weird bunching. Now I don't have to worry about spills or fur. It's machine washable, kid-proof, pet-proof, and honestly, mom-approved. They have a ton of colors and styles, and it's way cheaper than buying a new couch. I'm so glad I found Nolan Interior for my couch. It's finally safe from everyday messes.